नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। फॉर द सेकेंड स्ट्रेट सेशन, ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस डिलीवर्ड अ म्यूटेड परफॉर्मेंस amid choppy trading. Market participants grappled with a barrage of US economic data, including a surprising Labor Department report that showed producer prices decline unexpectedly in April. Despite the volatility, the Dow climbed 0.65%, the S&P 500 added 0.41%, while the Nasdaq closed nearly unchanged, ending the day on a flat note. Currently, the S&P 500 is above its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the index is likely to continue its northward journey and test the level of 6020 in the short term. While on the downside, the support is shifted higher in the zone of 5870 to 5850 levels. Talking about Brent crude ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session. However, it has witnessed a minor pullback after testing the low of 63.21 level. Going ahead, the 63.2 to $63 will act as an immediate support, with 65 to $65.3 acting as a crucial hurdle. Talking about the the US dollar index is oscillating near its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of 102 to 102.2 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 100.5 to 100.3 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index opened on a weak footing but quickly found its ground. Within the first hour, it took support near its 13-day EMA and staged a strong intraday rebound. By the session close, the index had decisively surpassed the 25,000 mark, recording an impressive 1.6% gain. On a daily scale, a sizable bullish candle with a lower shadow reflects strong buying interest at lower levels, which is a bullish signal. Adding strength to the setup, the daily RSI took support near the 60 level and thereafter witnessed a sharp rebound, which is a bullish sign as per the RSI range shift rules, further reinforcing the underlying bullish momentum. मौजूदा चार्ट स्ट्रक्चर को देखते हुए लगता है कि इंडेक्स अपनी ऊपर की यात्री जारी रखेगा और शॉर्ट टर्म में पहले 25,250, उसके बाद 25,400 का लेवल को टेस्ट कर सकता है। वही नीचे की तरफ 24,980 टू 24,950 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the May future surged by 1.47%, while the combined open interest for the current next and far series also surged by 6.41%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 25,100 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 25,200 strike. On the put side, 25,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,900 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.04. Talking about Bank Nifty found support near its 13-day EMA level for the second consecutive day and thereafter witnessed a sharp rebound. आगे जाकर 55,100 to 55,000 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 55,600 to 55,700 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल बन सकता है। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex witnessed a sharp upside rally, closing firmly above the 82,500 mark and registering a strong gain of 1.48%. On the daily chart, it has formed a sizable bullish candle, reflecting sustained buying interest and reinforcing the positive undertone. आगे जाकर 82,200 to 82,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 83,000 to 83,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 1.31% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by 28.9%, which indicates an overall short covering rally. The 83,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 83,500 strike. On the put side, 82,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 82,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 1.10. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX ended on a negative note for the fourth consecutive trading session. From the recent high of 22.74, it has tumbled nearly 26% in just 5 trading sessions. This clearly indicates that the overall market volatility has decreased significantly. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while 16.5 to 16.3 will act as a crucial support. The advance decline ratio is largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty India Defense, Metal, PSU Banks, Automobile, IT, Capital Market, PSC and CPSE space is likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data in the cash segment, the FI is bought to the tune of 5,393 crores, while the DI is sold to the tune of 1,668 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 45.6, as on a net basis they bought 21,282 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.